To customize brightness in Oppo Reno 15 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to home screen, lock screen and style, and then we can look for the icons. When you enter it, you'll be able to switch between different icon styles on the top right here. You can even get more by clicking on those three icons, and then in this store, if you log in, you'll be able to get new icons. But anyway, we want to customize them, so let's pick a classic option right here, and then we can, for example, activate auto dark icons, which will apply the dark theme to your icons as well. Then there's the art plus icons, so as you can see, it changes a few of the apps to the specific more vibrant type of icons. We can then change the size of them, adjust the rounded corners. If you want the full rounded apps, then you can go all the way right here, or you can make it more like a square if you move it to the left, and then you can make the app name bigger or smaller. Finally, when you're ready, you can click on apply, and that way you get a custom icons. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.